Oh my God, you just fall in love with a house you can't afford. The biggest mistake home buyers make is starting their home search before even getting pre-approved. I get it, it's so exciting to see beautiful homes online or tour open houses. But here's the truth behind that. Without a pre-approval letter from a lender, you are shopping blind. You don't know what you are qualified for, and worse, it can delay or even cost you the perfect home when you are ready to make an offer. Imagine finding your dream home only to learn it's outside your budget. Or even worse, someone else snags it while you are still getting your paperwork together. A pre-approval letter helps you shop with confidence, strengthens your offer, and shows seller you are a serious buyer. Don't let emotion lead and finances follow. If you're thinking of buying, let's connect. I'll walk you through the entire process and connect you to the trusted lender. PM me pre-approval. Call or text Zen at 214-695-1645. I'll send you the buyer's guide to get you started.